The sun is coming out. It is beautiful out here. I don't know that I've ever seen a nicer race day in the last couple of years. Chuck and Kelly Green manning the weather booth there in the pagoda this morning.
Well, we're thankful that it's like this. Of course, Julia, when we came earlier this morning, Kelly, we had 40, 50-mile-per-hour winds just to the north of the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. We have not had drop one of rain yet. But, of course, you know, we still have the afternoon to go. And we're the official weather provider for IMS. So Kelly is going to be up here in the command center throughout the race. What are you going to be doing?
Watching radar, because we know that really things could get a bit messy, especially after 1 o'clock this afternoon. As our Sean Ash would say, all bets are off after 1 p.m. It does look like things are going to start developing. Could see some of those stronger storms moving in. And because we have so much sunshine right now, we're creating more of that instability where we have the potential for some strong to severe storms.
And that sun that you see on the screen there lighting up the track, that's not necessarily a good thing.
Right.
The more rain we get makes it kind of unstable, doesn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So that's what we'll be watching out for today.
In fact, we've decided to absolve ourselves of any responsibility. That's why we're going to Angela Buckman right now in the WTHR studios. Good morning, Angela.
Oh, you guys are lucky I like you. I like you a lot, so I'll take that responsibility. If you are headed to the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, as Chuck and Kelly pointed out, you need to know where to go in the event of thunderstorm activity that we are forecasting later today. It is quiet out there this morning. Forecast to stay that way through about 11 o'clock, but it's going to be a quick jump in temperature. We'll warm close to 80 by 11 a.m. As the storm coverage starts to increase, temperatures will fall back into the middle and upper 70s. It is going to be a muggy afternoon with that threat for storms. Right now, so far, so good. This is live Doppler 13 radar showing the steady rain from near Tipton up into Kokomo, back through Logansport. We do have another area of rain developing across the western part of the state. So where is that tracking? Right now, it's tracking north and east, headed into Rockville. So if it would stay on that path, it's going to stay north of the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. We'll continue to watch that and also the development for additional storms, because at some point this boundary that's producing the rain to our north will come south. And we've got that threat for severe weather mainly across the southern half of the state. To the timeline we go with Future Track 13, picking up on the rain north right now at 8 a.m. What happens the next couple of hours? Pretty quiet between now and noon. However, as we start to increase that instability during the afternoon hours, the peak heating, this is 2 o'clock, we start to get a better chance for some storms. That's 4 p.m. Eventually the storms push south. This is the latest thinking now. Perhaps some dry time returning by the early evening hours. We've got our eyes on live Doppler 13 radar and Future Track 13 radar that will help us through the afternoon.